All right, guys. So, follow up from another video. Today, we're going to talk about how to apply beard butter. So, if you're interested in that, stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right channel. So, today, we're going to be a quick video on how to apply beard butter, if I can talk. So what I have here is from Gunfighter Beard Co. This is one of the products that we're using for the entire month of November. Also have an oil from this company, and at the end of November, I'm going to give you my final thoughts on not only these products, but the company, the website, everything. But Gunfighter Beard Company. Now we're going to do this butter today. This is the scent, the distiller. So this is a 2-ounce beard butter. If you're unfamiliar with beard butters, this is actually one of the first beard butters that I've ever seen that contained beeswax. So you can see this, if it'll focus, you can see that right there. It is very white. Beeswax, beard butter can come in different colors, and it is sometimes different textures and consistencies. This one is creamy when it melts down, but it is a little bit thicker in the can. All right, so there's a couple different ways that people apply beard butter. Now, what I'm going to show you today is my favorite way. I have one other way, and I forgot to bring something out here, so I'm going to have to put a picture on screen. I normally like to apply beard butter when my beard is damp, not sopping wet, but damp. So get out the shower, towel dry, pat dry it a little bit, and then put some beard oil in, and then put my butter in. Or if I'm going to bed and I'm not getting a shower before I go to bed, then I will kind of mist it with a spray bottle. The best spray bottle, I'll put a picture up here on the side. That is the best spray bottle to use for this because it just mists. So I really like that one. So I mist a little bit of water on my beard, and then for my beard this length, I tend to get about, hey, 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 are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. Out a thumbnail portion. All right, just scrape that out with your thumbnail. Let's get this closed back up. And I'm gonna pull my sleeves up so I have something to do with any excess. My hammock's readjusting. So you just take this beard butter that you have on your thumbnail, you just put it in your other palm, and just break that down. And it is going to, with your body heat and the friction you're causing by rubbing your hands together, it is going to turn into basically like an oil. All right, it's going to be all over your hands. So most of the time you're doing this with your beard is damp. You can do it when your beard's dry like mine, but you just want to come in here and you're mainly getting your beard. You're not really focusing on the skin underneath like you do with the oil, but you're just running your fingers through and you're just trying to get it all through. You find a little tangle, and that's the good part about doing it with your hands is you can feel those tangles and you're not snatching them out. So you just want to get that all the way through. And give it another little once over. Now I have my butter applied. Now I do have a little bit of residue on my hands. It is not a life-changing, a game changer, none of that. All I'm going to do with this is I'm going to do one of two things with it. I'm either going to take it and rub it on my arms like so. Then if there's any left over, like say between my fingers, because I can't rub that on my arms, then I will take that and just run it through my hair. If you do that at night, in the morning your hair will be a little bit softer. So there you go. That is how you apply it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come in with our comb, and here I have the Travax wallet comb, and you're just going to come in and just comb your butter through just like so. And all you're doing is just kind of helping spread it around. What you weren't able to do with your hands, you can do with your comb. Now I did not bring gunfighter oil out here But there's another method to putting in beard butter, and I'm going to do that in another video just because of time. I wanted this to be a really short video. Um, and this beard comb fits right into my current wallet, which is the Gerber Barbell, and it just slides right in the back like so. Look at it, fits same size as a credit card, fits right in there, and you don't have to worry about anything. You always have a beard comb with you. So that is the basic principle of applying beard butter. Um, you're not really trying to get it to the skin. You're just trying to coat your beard. It is basically like a conditioner for your beard. It's going to help make your beard even softer than it already is, especially if you do it at night. So the next morning, it's going to be a lot softer. I did a video as to why to use beard butter. This one's just to show you how to apply it. And there you go. If you put this in the way I said, you'll probably get a little bit of residue on your cheek lines. That's going to soften up those cheek hairs to where you can shave them and trim them up a little bit easier without the need of shaving cream. I dry shave mine, and it's usually after I apply oil or butter. So there you go. I hope you found this video helpful. I've got a couple more tips that I'm going to do, and I may have already done some of these videos years ago. I'm just kind of giving them new life and redoing them. So if there's a question with your beard that you have that I can do it with a video, drop it in the comments, or if it's something I can just answer, drop it in the comments, and I will gladly answer your questions. But yes, go check out Gunfighter Beard Co. This is the distiller. This is Kentucky bourbon whiskey and vanilla. It smells phenomenal. So we'll talk more about that in a couple weeks, week or two. And at the very end of the month, we will talk about Gunfighter in depth. So there you go. I'm rambling, and I tried to make this a short video. So there you go. I will see you in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Make sure to hit that thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you next time. So until then, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.